Good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining us this afternoon as we have our first navigation webinar for the launch of the new BPI Trade web platform and a mobile app. Kita niyo naman the video prior this, mag-upgrade na tayo. Finally, mag-upgrade na tayo ng BPI Trade platform, which has been there for more than a decade, more or less. But better late than never tayo. So to introduce myself, I'm Rico Locsin. I'm the Client Acquisitions Officer for BPI Securities. So today, we will be discussing the new platform in terms of mga navigation and things to remember because may mga first batch na tayo tomorrow. So alam ko marami nagtatanong sa Facebook namin, sa chats namin, sa hotline. Hindi pa daw siya nakakuha ng email. Don't worry. Pag hindi ka pa nakakuha ng email, meaning hindi pa kayo for the next batch. At hindi naman matagal yung waiting period nyo bago kayo ma-migrate. So just wait for that email. The instructions will be there. And let's say before the end of the quarter, malilipat na kayo sa bagong BPI Trade platform. All right. Just overview natin today is that I'll just share some of the features. Tapos we'll be playing a video in a bit, just after, of the navigation part. But we have some reminders na kailangan natin ma-discuss right now. And then after the video, we will be answering some of the questions. So don't worry, you can send in your questions as early as now sa Q&A box natin, but baka later pa natin yung masasagot. So we'll try to keep this under an hour kasi alam naman namin baka pauwi ng iba sa atin or driving home. So stay safe and let's start na with the presentation. So this is the new BPI Trade mobile app. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon sa page nyo. This is available both on Google Play and Apple App Store. Alam ko marami na sa atin nagda-download nag-review, tapos nagtatanong bakit hindi pa kayo makalogin. Scam ba to? Hindi tayo scam. Tuloy-tuloy kasi yung testing at that time, and hindi pa natin na-migrate kasi yung accounts. Kaya feeling nyo hindi madedetect yung accounts nyo. So, and we will be uploading this video sa new website din namin in after the presentation. All right. So, trade seamlessly with the all new BPI Trade platform. With our new platform, now you can keep tabs on the market wherever you are, and you can check real-time quotes or live quotes. Wala tayong delay ng 15 minutes. Live yung quotes natin, and we can view market summaries from the indices, market performance, and then important din to, you can get access to BPI Trade research anytime and anywhere. With the new platform or with the new mobile app, connected kasi yung dalawa, you can create watch list of stocks sa mga gusto natin, and then from your phone and from the web-based platform, magsisync lang mga watch list natin. And of course, since we are a stock brokerage and this is a trading platform, you can now send orders, trade orders, buy and sell on the go, and monitor your stock position straight from your pocket. All right, so just a few reminders sa mga nakakuha na ng email. To access the new website, head on to trade.bpi.com.ph and then log in using your username. Ang username mo will be the same from the classic or the old website. So yung lumang BPI Trade. Pero yung password nyo will be different. Depending sa email nyo, but one sample default password is the primary account holder's birth date in this format. We change this a bit, but depending on your email that you receive, dun yung default password nyo. And the moment na mag-login kayo sa new app, mag-request din to ng one-time PIN, so make sure your registered mobile number is updated with us. And then after the OTP, you can now nominate your new password yung gusto nyo. Some points to remember. Again, you will use the same username on the new BPI Trade platform as you did on the old platform. Your first login requires to use the default password as shown earlier, and before you can set your own. The moment na ma-migrate din kayo to the old BPI from the old BPI Trade website, hindi nila ma-access yon. So, ma-access nila lang yung new website and the app. So, take note, sa mga pasok na sa batch 1, which is tomorrow, mawawalan na kayo ng, ang malalagay dyan suspended eh. Pero technically, wala na kayong access sa old platform. So, lahat tayo, lipat na sa new platform sa first batch. And please take note sa may mga GTD or good till date na mga orders and good till canceled. Baka hindi na makahabol ng mga mamamigrate bukas. But for those joining us that are set to be migrated in the next few weeks, but alam ko next week meron na naman tayo, please, it could help us if kayo na mag-cancel mismo ng mga GTC nyo and GTD prior the migration. But in case hindi nyo ma-cancel, kami na magka-cancel doon for you. But hindi na kami mag-repost. Take note, hindi na kami mag-repost sa mga GTD at GTC. So please take note yung mga pinost na orders at pag na-migrate na kayo, paki-repost na lang please. Alright, so let's head on to the platform navigation video, which includes both the web and the mobile application. A few moments please, ililipat lang namin yung share screen. Thank you.
Welcome to the new BPI Trade website. You may access it via new.bpitrade.com. On the new site, you may get to know about BPI Trade, our services, and of course about the Philippine stock market. On the new site, you may explore the relevant items you need before you start your investing journey, such as opening an account, funding your trading account, understanding the basics of trading, and our FAQ page. You may also explore our offered products and services, which includes your online trading account, portfolio design services, dollar-denominated securities or DDS, and real estate investment trusts. To open your BPI Trade online account, hover over Start Trading and select Open a Trading Account. You will be redirected to the account opening page, where you will get an overview of the account opening process. To open an account, please ready the following requirements: a valid government-issued ID, a valid taxpayer identification number or TIN, an existing BPI bank account, which is enrolled in the Express online portal. Once ready, click on Open an Account, and you will be redirected to our registration page. Select I have a BPI bank account and log on to your BPI Express online account to pull your data from BPI servers. Review your application, which will automatically be downloaded. Print and sign the application and submit it to your preferred BPI branch. You may also electronically sign the application and email to BPI Trade Applications at bpi.com.ph. To access the new BPI Trade platform, hover over the login button at the upper right-hand part of the screen, and then select New BPI Trade. This will bring you to the login page, which is also accessible via trade.bpi.com.ph. For a seamless and uninterrupted trading experience, we suggest that you use the following internet browsers to access the new platform. Take note: account holders from the old BPI Trade platform will have different login credentials from the new BPI Trade. Please check your registered email addresses for your temporary nominated passwords. Please also take note that you are not allowed to simultaneously use the web platform with the mobile application. As a new security feature, every time you log into the new BPI Trade platform, you will need to input a one-time PIN or an OTP. Make sure your registered mobile number is updated, or please call the BPI Trade hotline for assistance. Let's get started. This is the default trading hall when you initially open the BPI Trade web platform. The default layout will include the following: the menu bar, a quote screen, an equities portfolio screen, an order pad, and an order book screen. You are free to customize your trading hall to fit your trading needs. You may save up to 5 layouts, which you may switch through at any time. This is the menu bar for the new BPI Trade web platform. Here, you may find the command icons for all the core functionalities of the new trading platform. You will find the quotes icon, watch list, stock info, chart, buy and sell, news, analysis, market, order book, statements, portfolio, settings, calculator, services, and logging out. Just below the menu bar, you will find the market summary bar. The market summary displays the following: current index price, volume traded, value turnover, total number of trades, gainers, losers, unchanged, untraded, net foreign flow, and market status. The quote screen is already activated by default when you open the new BPI Trade web platform, but you may access it by clicking on the quotes icon. You are currently looking at the grid view, but may change it to card view by clicking this icon. You may filter through all Philippine-listed stocks, suspended stocks, IPO, or newly listed shares, sub-indices, or just the main PSCI. Sorting of shares may be done through volume, value traded, name, performance, and prices. Viewing of odd lot quotes may be done via this drop-down box. To purchase odd lot shares, you need to activate the odd lot board quote screen. Take note that odd lot quotes should have a capital O at the end of the ticker symbol. You may also have additional columns to your quote screen, which may include the data that are relevant to you. To toggle through the quotes, click on the arrow icons found here. To create, view, or manage existing watch list, click on the watch list icon. Let's create a watch list. Make sure to give it a name. Click on the watch list icon again to view the watch list. To add shares onto your watch list, you may type it in the Add Stock search bar. You may also drag shares from the quote screen onto your watch list. You may also customize the data shown on your watch list via this icon. Watch lists created via the web platform or mobile platform are accessible to both platforms. The stock info icon is where you will find relevant stock data such as the tracker, market depth, historical prices, and the board lot table guide. The market depth contains the ask and bid price information from both sellers and buyers, which is currently queued in the market. This is shown in levels showing price and quantity. The stock info and tracker contains all information pertaining to a particular equity security together with a historical chart. Under the Info tab, users can view detailed information of the selected stock. On the Time and Sales tab, users can view the time and quantity of stocks being sold. On the Business Done tab, users can view all the details of business done on the selected security, including traded price, the details of buy volume, sell volume, buy percentage bar, and the total value of transactions. On the Price Distribution tab, users can view the graphical information of volume mapped against the buy and sell price of the selected stock. Green colored bar denotes buy, and red colored bar denotes sell. Historical data displays historical quotes by date with the open, high, low, and closing prices, as well as volume traded of the selected stock. Users can set data parameters from 1 minute to day to a maximum of 500 records. The board lot table guide shows the minimum number of shares one can purchase or sell at a specific price range, so the minimum amount needed to invest in stocks varies and will depend on the market price of the security as well as its corresponding board lot. The chart icon will open either the intraday chart or the analysis chart of a given stock. The intraday chart window displays the graphical movement of a stock during the day. Users can view the details of trading time, price, and volume movement. The analysis chart, on the other hand, displays more chart details and enables chart drawing functions. Users can perform technical charting analysis using various charting tools and indicators for pattern analysis and predictions. The buy or sell icons will activate the order pad found at the lower right portion of the default trading hall. Buy orders are indicated with the green order pad, while sell orders are shown with a red order pad screen. In your order pad, you will see the following details: the trading limit, the account number, which can be changed if you have multiple accounts, the stock you wish to transact, the action type, which is either buy or sell, the order type, by default is a limit order, the quantity or volume, the trading price, and the validity of your trade, which could be a day order, fill and kill, good till cancelled, and good till date. If you switch to a full view, you will find the Disclose tab for iceberg orders. Don't forget to input your 6-digit trading PIN. When you send out a buy or sell order, you will prompt an order confirmation message. Select OK to proceed, or press reset to cancel or redo. The order book is where users may review all pending orders, as well as historical orders. The equities order book displays information pertaining to all the order instructions performed during the day. Users can choose to view all accounts if you're handling multiple accounts, or filter the status list according to required trading account and other selection criteria. To view the order details, which displays all information pertaining to the order instructions, select the order from your order book, right-click, and select Order Detail. The equities order history displays the previous order information performed by a trading account, while the equities order log function displays all the pending release orders created waiting for further action. To revise an order, head on to the order book page. Select the intended order to be revised, then right-click and select Revise. This will open the corresponding order pad on the related transaction. Amend the applicable price or quantity and then select Revise. Don't forget your trading PIN. A revised confirmation alert will be prompted for user acknowledgement. In the dialog box of the order pad, a revised order submitted message should appear, and head on to the order book to check if the revision was accepted. To cancel an order, provided that it is not yet matched or only partially matched, head on to the order book page and then select the intended order to be cancelled. This will open the corresponding order pad on the related transaction. Input your trading PIN and select Cancel. A Cancel Order Submitted message should appear. Head on to the order book to check if the cancellation was accepted. The news icon is where you will find all of BPI Trade's research reports and daily notes. You will also find a link here to access PSE Edge to view all corporate disclosures. To access BPI Trade's research or daily notes, select Research from the news icon. Here, you may access materials via keyword search, date range, and categories. This is a sample research report from BPI Trade. Under PSE Edge, it will directly send you to the local bourse's disclosure website. Analysis is where you may access foreign flows data on a specific stock, as well as broker activities. Upon clicking Foreign Flows, you will need to specify a date range. Foreign flows will show the daily total buy volume, total sell volume, total buy value, total sell value, percentages, and net trade transactions of a certain stock. Under Broker Info, users can track broker rankings, broker activities, which displays the top stocks bought and sold by a certain trading participant. And the top buyers and sellers of a certain stock. To access your current equity holdings or review your realized gains or losses, click on the portfolio icon. The equities portfolio is where you can view all the stocks you currently hold in your trading account. It will show the following details of your shareholdings: the stock code and symbol, the current quantity held, the average price of your shares, the current market price, the prevailing market value, and the unrealized gain or loss in absolute value or percentage. You may also export your current equity holdings into Excel. For the equities realized gain or loss portfolio, this feature allows you to review your historical positions for that specific account. It will also record the corresponding gain or loss after closing the position. Statements is where you may access the statement of account and your confirmation advices. Access your statement of accounts and trade confirmation advices via the Statements icon. Under the Statement of Accounts tab, you may sort through your annual or monthly statements. The Purchase and Sale Daily Invoice, on the other hand, allows you to search confirmation advices for a specific date range. The Market icon gives you the access to the market and indices summary, scoreboard, and the ticker. The Market Summary screen displays market information about the market's intraday index chart and intraday trading pie chart. Indicators of market summary will also be displayed here, such as the current index price, volume traded, value traded, total number of trades, gainers, losers, unchanged and untraded shares, and net foreign flow. The Indices screen displays information about the movement and intraday chart of the PSEI and all PSE sub-indices. Information displayed includes data of time and sales for the selected indices. The Market Scoreboard screen displays information about the market indices performance with an explanatory pie chart. The ticker will activate the ticker tape. On the ticker tape, you can filter shares displayed to only those within the user's personalized watch list, within a certain trade volume, and within a certain trade value. You can also customize the direction from right to left to right. Do a multi-row ticker and pause the ticker tape. The Settings icon houses all you need to customize your trading experience. The Layout tab is where you can manage the screen layout and select from the default split screen modes depending on your preference. The User Interface tab allows you to select the theme for your window background if it will be light or dark mode. You can also change to trade via units or via lots, such as, for example, 1 lot of Globe shares is equivalent to 5 shares or 5 units. You may also customize if you would like to have alternate row shadings. Under the Font tab, you may change font size, font type, and font colors. For the Trade tab, you can select the default trading account and sequence the order in trading accounts for easy viewing. Lastly, the Hotkeys tab is where you can enable or disable the hotkeys function and where you can map out keyboard buttons to specific trading tools or functionalities. The calculator icon will open the calculator tool, which will help you compute the break-even, profit or loss sell price depending on the data you input. Just enter the value of the selected fields and the system will compute it for you. The Services icon is where you will find the e-withdraw function. It is through this page where you can view funds available to withdraw and also send in a request for withdrawal. You may also view your withdrawal history to keep track of your fund movement. Account management requests such as changing of password, trading PIN, or resetting your trading PIN can be done via the My Accounts tab. Make sure to keep your registered mobile number updated as we will be sending one-time PINs for these functions. Welcome to the new BPI Trade mobile app. Just like on the web platform, every time you log into the app, you will need to input a one-time PIN or an OTP. Make sure that your registered number is updated or please call the BPI Trade hotline for assistance. This is the main dashboard of the mobile app. Displayed at the top portion will be your account name, and just below it will be the live chart of the PSEI. Tapping on the different data periods will change the chart data. You can also minimize chart details by tapping this icon. You may also pinch the panel to zoom in or out of the chart. Following the index chart, you'll see a snapshot of your portfolio, which will display the total market value, unrealized gain or loss, your trading limit, and your gross investment. Just below this is your personalized watch lists. Tap on the down arrow to view your created watch lists. Tapping on the name of the stock will bring up the stock info screen. To access the core functionalities of the new BPI Trade mobile app, head on to the menu bar at the bottom part of your screen. Your menu bar hosts the main functionalities of the trading app. The home icon will bring you to your home page, and in this case is the main dashboard. The quote icon will bring you to the quote screen, which displays all the listed stocks on the PSE. The order book icon will display the lists of orders you made for the day or historically. And lastly, the portfolio icon will display the collection of stocks you've purchased over time. To view real-time stock data, let's head on to the quote screen. This drop-down menu will allow you to sort assets via volume, gainers, losers, name, or prices. To search for a specific stock, tap on this icon. Stocks are displayed between list and heat map display. Toggle through both displays by tapping this icon. You may filter the quote list further when you tap this icon. To view odd lot shares, you may filter it through here. Take note that when you wish to transact odd lot shares, you'd have to pass through the odd lot quote screen. Odd lot shares should have a capital O at the end of the ticker. Tapping on the stock name will bring you to the stock info screen. Tapping on the intraday chart drops down the trade data. And lastly, tapping on the change icon will toggle between absolute and percentage value. To purchase or sell shares, tap on the floating trade icon at the bottom right. This will open the order pad search screen. Search for the stock you wish to transact. And once you've selected the stock you wish to buy or sell, this will open the order pad. On the order pad, you'll see the market depth, which you can also slide to view the time and sales and business done. Below the panel, you can see the account you are trading for, as well as your trading limit. Make sure to select the validity of your order, which can be a day order, fill and kill, good till cancelled, or good till date. Don't forget to input the price and quantity you wish to transact. You may make this an iceberg order in the disclosed bar. Take note that iceberg orders should disclose at least 10% of the total quantity you wish to transact. Select buy or sell, and then review your order summary and your order charges. Don't forget to input your 6-digit trading PIN. To monitor order postings, head on to the order book. Here is a list of order statuses you may encounter. Tapping on the order will bring up the order details screen. Here, you are able to see a summary of the order and the system remarks. At the bottom, you may copy the order to speed up for another order submission in the order pad screen. In the History tab, you may search for orders in a particular date range. Here, you may review all your historical orders sent. To revise an order, select the order you wish to amend. At the bottom, you'll see a Revise Cancel button. Input the necessary amendments to the order. Select Revise, Review, and input your 6-digit trading PIN. Review it in the order book. Now, to cancel an order, select on the order you wish to cancel and select Revise Cancel. Click on Cancel and input your trading PIN. Head on to the order book to confirm cancellation. Click on the portfolio icon to view the collection of stocks purchased over time. It is divided by unrealized and realized portfolio. This panel displays the floating value or the total market value of your account. Below, you will see the assets in your portfolio, which includes the quantity held, market price, and the unrealized gain or loss. Tapping on the name of the asset will bring up the portfolio details screen. In the Realize tab, the panel displays the realized value of gain or loss of your historical portfolio. You can use this as a trading diary of your historical positions, so that it may guide you on your future trades. To access your watch lists, open the slide-out menu and select Watch List. Tap on the plus icon to add a new watch list. Give it a name and confirm it. Tap on the watch list you just created to start populating it. Tap on the plus icon and select the stock you wish to include into this watch list. To remove a stock from a particular watch list, hold and slide it to the left and select the Delete bin. You may also delete a whole watch list by holding and sliding it to the left as well. Then select the Delete bin. BPI Trade's research reports are also accessible via the BPI Trade mobile app. Access research reports by opening the slide-out menu and select Research. Here, you can find a list of all our current research reports. You may filter reports via the filter icon, where you can search for a particular stock tagged by our analysts. To view benchmarks associated with the PSE, head on to the Indices page via the slide-out menu. Here you can see the broader all shares index, the PSEI, or the sector indices. Access the market summary via the slide-out menu as well. The market summary will give you access to the chart of the main index, the PSEI. It will also have an index overview which displays the total volume, value, and number of trades for the day, as well as the index breadth. Here are a few things you may wish to adjust before you start trading. To open your app settings, access it via the slide-out menu and select Settings. Under the View Preferences panel, select the code or symbol setting and then select Code as your preference. The symbol setting will show the stock's full name, while the code will show the ticker symbol. Next, just below it, you will find the View Quantity format. You can choose either as units or as lots. Select units for your quantity. Selecting lots when you order will mean that you will only send orders as a lot. For example, 1 lot of Globe shares is equivalent to 5 units or 5 shares. Lastly, under the Application panel, this is where you can customize your home screen depending on what you want to see right away. Currently, it is set to Dashboard. You have the choice to set it as a watch list or market summary. Account management requests such as changing a password, trading PIN, or resetting your trading PIN can be done via the app. Head on to your settings page and go down to the Accounts panel. Make sure to keep your registered number updated as we will be sending one-time PINs for these functions.
All right. So thank you very much for moment, please. Thank you very much for still joining us. Marami pa naman nakakasama natin. So we'll start with the Q&A session, but habang actually nagvi-video kanina, yung colleagues ko dito, si Martin and the rest of the team have been answering questions directly sa mga messages. But tuloy we'll answer. I will check in some questions na send. Ayun, one of the first one, shout out na lang natin kay Sir Oliver Balagtas from Saudi siya ata right now. So thank you for joining us, sir, and good morning. When will when will the event be uploaded in social media? We believe as early as tomorrow, may mga uploading na kami ng mga navigation. So don't worry na baka hindi nyo, medyo mabilis or baka you have to step out. We will be uploading social media by tomorrow since may migration schedule na talaga tayo for tomorrow. May leverage na po ba sa new BPI trade? Right now po, Sir Lilio, wala pa kaming leverage. Or if you're asking yung shorting of shares, hindi pa rin kami nag-offer right now, but it is in the pipeline. We are discussing it with the team, and but we can't give a timeline on that. Hi po, ask lang po if may available na charts ang new platform same as the old. Yes, as nakita sa video, may intraday chart tayo and may analysis chart. Intraday chart, as the name suggests, will only show the price movements within that trading day, while yung analysis chart, yun yung pwede tayo the past 10 years or the past 5 years. This is powered by TradingView. So kung ano yung quotes ni TradingView, yun din yung lalabas sa platform. Is there an analytics page where we can download data? Unfortunately, the only data we can download right now is yung order history natin and yung portfolio. But yung quotes, hindi natin mada-download through the platform, sir. Will it be possible to have up to 30 stocks in the watch list like before, or you're now planning on limiting to only 10? Per watch list, I believe ako nakatest ako, naglagay ako ng watchlist, sir, na PSEI. So at least 30 shares yun, which wala namang limit na 10 right now. But you can have 10, more than 10 watch lists per se, but ang optimal is 10 watch lists para hindi ma-overload yung quotes mo. When I tried my stock position in a new platform using my cell phone, I was asked to enter the 6-digit trading pin. I could not remember that I assigned a trading pin before. Ang trading pin is sa email niya yan. And if ever kailangan natin gamitin yung forgot trading pin feature, meron naman tayo, sir. May magagawa naman tayo. You can do it via the web or the mobile platform. If ang next question, I think nabasa ko din from you, was that you cannot find the account trading code. So if you look at the equities portfolio, may account number doon. Yun yung account code mo for the forgot trading pin. Let me share my screen just a moment para hindi tayo maano. Okay, share screen. All right. Dito, sir, makikita yung account code. So this is our test account. So kung kailangan yung mag-forgot trading pin naman na ito yung account code. Iba yung account code sa username. So let's make sure hindi tayo magkamalian doon. So dito mo makikita if nasa migrated ka na platform. If nasa lumang platform ka pa at hindi mo alam yung account code mo, makikita niyo yan sa upper right ng old BPI. Makikita niyo yung Philippine flag doon. Tapos may username, tapos may account code. Yun yung account code for the old site. Next question. Will the dividend history feature be migrated to the new platform? Initially, Sir Michael, wala pa siya. But that is in the pipeline right now. Does BPI Trade have short selling? Answered earlier, wala pa. Do you have alerts? Alerts is also in the pipeline, Sir Alan, but it's not at the initial migration. But eventually, may mga stock alerts tayo for our portfolio, if may mga cut loss or take profit alerts tayo. But for this update, hindi pa siya na-activate. When will BPI Trade have real-time funding like other brokers? Sir Michael V. Ang masasabi ko, antay na lang tayo ng konting ano na lang. Malapit na 'yon na mag-implement tayo, but hindi pa. Ang funding, to be clear, for this platform is gonna be the same as the old platform. Mag-fund transfer tayo sa settlement account or sa SETA account natin sa BPI Direct. But for your question, if mag-real-time funding tayo, we are moving to that direction sooner rather than later. So hopefully we can deliver that. Will be given a new trading pin. For the new trading pin, in case hindi niyo, sir, na nandun siya sa email. So always please read your emails for the details on the account migration for your trading pins. Where and how can we enroll the cell number? Sir Julius Manalo. Sir, for yourself, if current account holder ka na, sir, and you need to update your cell phone number for the OTP, kasi let me stress this, important talaga yung cell phone number niyo for the OTP. We don't have other multi-factor authentication ways like yung sa mga keys. So important talaga yung phone niyo kasi maglo-login kayo with that. Please call our hotline or email bpitrade@bpi.com.ph if you need to update your profile with us. Is the chart real time? Ma'am Marilyn, yes, it is real time. Hindi kami pwede mag-delay doon. Like other providers, yung mga 15-minute delays na hindi naman sila brokerage but provide the data. Kami, we need to provide real-time data. Can the cash available or total portfolio amount be hidden from view while trading? From the mobile app, pag nag-open kasi dashboard yun, sir, makikita nyo. Sa dashboard, pwede niyo, sa mobile app, you can cancel it in a sense na papalitan mo ng view mo. Pwede yung watchlist yung view mo, pwede yung market summary yung view mo. But for the default trading hall, what you can do is that alisin mo yung equities portfolio mo or yung order book from your layout. Pwede naman kasi mo-customize yung layout mo. So, that's the way that you can hide it. Miss Maria, hi, hello po. Thank you for joining us today. Do we need to migrate first to the new platform before we can use the mobile app? Yes. You can only use the mobile app once migrated na kayo. So once you get the email and your migration schedule, that's when you can use the mobile app. Hindi pa yan magagamit if you're still using the old platform. But it won't take too long kasi yung migration natin, tuloy-tuloy na to for the next weeks. What may demo account po ba na available? For right now, wala pa tayong demo accounts. And for the next, do we have a stop loss feature? Right now, no. We don't have a stop loss feature for the new BPI trade. How do I see the top gainers, top losers most active in the new mobile app? Doon tayo sir sa quote screen, may sorting tayo doon or filtering. We can sort that sa top gainers and worst losers ba? Worst losers and most active stocks sa mobile app. Pwede yan, via the quote screen. Do you have another schedule of seminar? Seminar for navigation, wala pa kaming set in stone na schedule the next, but definitely we're gonna have one for the navigation. But if you want to join other seminar, if ang tinutukoy niyo po ay seminars like market education, like our stock market 101 or fundamental analysis 101 or technical analysis 101, please bantayin lang po yung Facebook page namin or yung emails namin for our marketing materials for that. So we definitely magpo-post kami if we have upcoming seminars. Requesting a copy of the session. Yes, we will be uploading it sa new BPI sa new site ng BPI Trade. So to access the new site of the BPI Trade, diba? new.bpitrade.com. Is the login password different from the login? Yes, sir Manuel, it's different. Magkaiba po yung password natin to access the platform. Magkaiba yung OTP, magkaiba din yung trading pin. So yung OTP, di ba, nagbabago yan, ite-text yan sa atin. Yung trading pin naman, it's a 6-digit pin na sineset natin just for trading. It's a security feature din po. My question is, are the commissions and taxes for buying and selling the same? In quick answer, yes, but may dagdag ka sa selling, which is the sales tax. But everything else, pareho po yun. May sales tax lang talaga yung selling transaction, Sir Martin. Oh, yun, si Sir Martin, yung client kahapon, kami nag-client meeting kahapon. Sir, thank you for joining us today. And hopefully na-reactivate na yung account mo. At the new BPI Trade website, can we fund the BPI Trade and buy stocks at the same day? Is there one day deal? Yes po, just discussed earlier, hindi pa siya real time right now. It's still the same funding process. So paglipat ng settlement account and we have cut-offs. So hopefully if we can fund early and then baka pumasok na siya by the afternoon or definitely the next day. So hindi pa siya real time yung funding. How do we update our phone number if we are outside the Philippines? Just email our customer support team or customer relations teams, bpitrade@bpi.com.ph. Okay. Anything? Marks, meron pa ba tayo dito? No provisions for stop loss? Yes, definitely. Wala pa rin provisions for stop loss. Moment, please. Okay. Galing to sa product development natin. Stop loss orders are not yet updated, are not yet in this update, but sabi na it's in the pipeline sooner than we think. So just stay positive na parating na siya. Huwag na natin isipin stop loss, paakyat na din kasi yung market. So dapat positive din tayo. So right now, ayoko isipin mag-stop loss, meaning pababa na naman yung market eh. Also, if you have a hard time using the desktop, kasi alam ko yung Classic was much simpler yung program, I encourage everyone to use the mobile app. It's a lot more user friendly, it's more intuitive, and of course it's easier to handle kasi it's on your phone. So for those who are hesitant pa sa daming quotes and numbers sa desktop, I suggest we use the mobile app first para hindi tayo mahirapan. Will my session be automatically logged out? Yes, may timeout tayo. Is it 5 minutes pa in March? Tama. 5 minutes, no? More or less. 5 minutes. Walang nangyayari sa desktop mo or sa phone, mag-auto log out yung app or yung browser. We need to wait for the email. Yes. Batching kasing email, sir, and hindi natin masabay-sabay. So, definitely kung wala ka pang may nakuhang email at current account holder ka, malilipat ka doon. Just wait for the email. So, don't worry kung hindi niyo pa na-receive. But in case na lang din, check your spam folders. Baka nandun lang siya. Darating yung email. We have a good, ang team namin, mini-make sure nila lahat ng clients are accounted for, kahit in the thousands kayo. This team led by our marketing team. Si Paolo yon yung nag-handle nun. So, they're making sure na ayos yun. Can you access the site without the OTP? Sir Julius, kailangan talaga ng OTP. Sorry, the trading site. But the informational site, you can access without the OTP. But if you need to trade na yung trading platform, kailangan ng OTP. The ledger statement of account nandun. So yung cash flows niyo sa statement of account will still be there. When's your last batch of accounts to migrate? Hindi ko yan na pick up, but it won't take more than a few weeks po. Are you going to implement logging in by fingerprint? Yes, definitely, Sir Ariel. Sa na-discuss ko ang nakita lang sa video was Face ID. That's for Apple kasi yung ginamit namin for the video. But for Android, yes, may fingerprint ID yun. So, depende yan sa unit mo kung ano yung Apple or Android. So, ma-activate naman yun. Is the price order limit been updated? Before it follows the dynamic threshold, is it updated to follow the static threshold now? Dapat dynamic pa rin, sir, unahin natin. Kaya static, yun yung plus 30% on pababa. Minus 30% pababa plus 50% paakyat. Pero yung dynamic kasi, si PSE yan nagtatrack. Of course, nag-adjust yan. So, unahin pa rin yung dynamic over the static right now. But eventually, pag na-hit mo yung static, magti-trigger naman yun. Option to fund via credit cards, ngayon wala pa rin. Will outstanding orders be carried over to the new migrated platform? Ayun, discuss yan. Please take note, we suggest na kayo na lang mag-cancel ng mga GTC, good till canceled orders or good till date orders upon migration. But in case hindi niyo ma-cancel yun, kami magka-cancel yun manually for the clients. Pero for sure, hindi kasi mapuport yung orders niyo to the new system. So we have to cancel it with the help of the PSE. So we suggest na take note yung mga GTC, GTD niyo, cancel niyo lang, pag migrate niyo, repost niyo lang ulit. What if mobile is not available? Can it send OTP to registered email? Unfortunately po, sa OTP sa mobile number talaga po yun. Wala pong OTP right now sa email for this. But we will take this into account knowing na some of our clients are abroad, tapos baka hindi makakuha signal. Alam ko may mga clients tayo na seafarers na wala masyadong signal sa dagat. So hopefully nga we can address this. Thank you for raising this. Top gainers percent screen only displays the peso change and percentage without the value traded for the... I'm guessing yung tanong dito, ang filtering pareho. Hindi, ang sorting, sir, will be based pa rin kung either gainers na talaga siya or losers or active. Pero not on the percentage. I mean, lahat ng particulars. Can client request to update his international mobile number on BPI trade records for OTP concerns, or are we limited to local mobile number? For now, but international, confirm pwede. Can you please explain again what is an iceberg order? Just like in the Titanic po, alam niyo naman yung iceberg, hindi nakikita. Tip of the iceberg, the comment tip of the iceberg. So meaning may malaking nakatago. This is for trading. So pag sinasabing iceberg, tinatago mo yung whole, ang example, you have 1 million shares. Ayaw mo makita ng market na gusto mo magbenta 1 million shares. So papakita mo muna 10%, 10%, 10%. Yun yung minimum ni PSE na dapat. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng iceberg. Tip of the iceberg lang yung nakikita. So, pag naubos yung 10% na papakita, magdadagdag yung system ng 10%. But usually, ginagamit ito ng mga institutional traders. Can we install the app in phones which does not have our roaming SIM? Definitely po. Like ako, I installed the app in my iPad or my tablet, and then yung OTP, nasa phone ko pa rin. So, yun na yung ginagamit ko, yung phone ko pag dumadating yung OTP. So, hindi naman kailangan on the same phone na may pwede lang mag-install. So, pwede mo pa rin yun ma-install na hindi doon yung roaming SIM mo. Alright. Fill and kill. Pag sinasabing fill and kill, I post an order, I post a buy order, 10,000 shares at 10 pesos. Pero in the market, there was only 5,000 shares available at 10 pesos. So bibilihin ko yung 5,000 na yun. Tapos si system mag-automatically kill. Kung ano na-fill, na-buy mo na yun. Anything unfilled, the system will kill that order, cancel the order. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng fill and kill. Okay. Ayun, explained yung fill and kill. Pag fill and kill, automatic cancellation siya versus GTC. GTC, good till you cancel it. So, until ika-cancel mo yung order, yung GTC, it will stay there unless the PSE announces nagka-cancel sila ng lahat ng GTC, which we will know about naman. But yung fill and kill kasi, the moment you post it, ang hindi ma-done na part of your order, automatically canceled. We won't be able to place an order above below the dynamic threshold before, so this is now possible to place an order below the dynamic, but within the static threshold. Yes, Sir Denny. Basta within the hindi, mag-alert, Sir Denny, the point of the dynamic threshold, pinipigilan ka niya, pero mag-freeze yung stock. Usually kasi ang mangyayari dyan, mag-freeze yung stock above the dynamic threshold pag hindi siya masyadong traded, di ba? Pag sinasabing dynamic threshold. So if it's a highly active stock, hindi dapat problem yung dynamic threshold. But if illiquid yung shares, doon matitrigger yung dynamic. Sorry, I'm discussing the dynamic and static thresholds in trading, which merong moving dynamic, that's why it's called dynamic, din static, yun yung plus 50, plus 30%. May issue kasi before na hindi ka makapost about dynamic. Kasi ang nangyayari, sinastop ka na ng system bago matrigger yung dynamic threshold. So usually si PSE din kasi ang magsasabi ng tatawagin pa kasi yun. So yung problem sa online, hindi mo naman matatawagan agad si client. Until when can we use the old platform? The old platform, the moment ma-migrate ka, sir, wala ka ng access sa old platform. So if it's more complicated, as discussed, I suggest to use the mobile app for this. All right. Last few more questions unless kaya pa, Marks? Dami pa ba? Is there a timeline of funding minimum version? Minimum version for Android. Okay. Minimum recommended version for iOS is version 14, while minimum Android version is version 11. For all done trade with confirmation of trade be one time. Ma'am Jackie, nandun yan sa order purchase history. So parang daily statement mo yan sa mga orders mo. Nandun pa rin yan sa may access ka dun sa web platform. Sir Randolph, pa-view ng previous slides. Actually, sir, that was a video. Ang majority of it. And then, ang previous slide was mostly, for the first time logging in is reminders. Pero Ma'am Jackie, I'm not sure how to answer your question. I mean, it will be one page yung orders mo. Maybe, ma'am, better to reach out sa hotline namin for the question. Baka mas ma-explain namin mas maayos or maintindihan yung question mas maayos. Sorry, bro. Can we still access a new platform via the website instead of the use? Can we still access? Yes, you can access either the new platform or the mobile, but you cannot access them both sabay-sabay. Hindi pwede simultaneous. So, pag naka-login ka example sa web, tapos mag-open ka sa phone, mag-auto log out si web. Sir JC, lahat talaga mamamigrate sa new platform. Will you be able to track your place in order? Hindi. Kahit, Sir Julius, hindi mo yun matatrack. Kahit as a trader, I was trading in sa kung anong oras pumasok, pwede mo naman kasi makita trades before you, pero sa order book mo, hindi mo matatrack which number ka sa queue. Pero if nakabantay ka, example, sir, sa market depth, tapos makikita mo yung number of trades doon, that's the only way you can track it. That's how, as a trader, how I tracked it. Titingin ko na yung market depth, titingnan ko total orders before me, tapos magpo-post ako, doon ko malalaman kung gaano kadami yung nakapost before me. Pero on your order book, hindi mo makikita yan. Will your trading history be migrated as well? Yes, yung mga yung average price mo will be ported. Saan namin pwede makita yung mga iTrack seminar? Sir Eric, hindi pa namin na-upload yung mga iTrack seminars, but i-invite kayo namin. For sure, may mga postings kami noon. And with the new website, we also plan to host some of the videos sa mga iTrack seminars doon. And hopefully, makakatulong yun sa inyo. Ano pong advantage ng new versus old platform? Definitely yung accessibility ng new platform. Matagal na talagang kailangan ng mobile. Mahirap kasi, di ba, pag nagtitrade ka, parating kailangan may browser ka or may desktop. So malaking tulong talaga yung mobile. Ako, I use it. I've been testing it for over a year, and I've used it pag nasa airport, I check the market, pag naka-VL ako. So malaking tulong na hindi na kailangan ng computer. I just use my phone. So during the testing period, internally kami dito, it's been a big help. International stocks for now, wala pa din. All right. So moving for will it still be BPI trade? Eventually it's gonna be still at bpitrade.com, but since my old site pa, we're using new.bpitrade.com for the new site para lang hindi malito. But eventually, maalisin namin yung new nasa na talaga, bpitrade.com. All right. Thank you very much for joining us today. And we also want to take this opportunity to invite sa isang seminar. This is for next week. This is with Cebulan Masters. Just a quick overview on the company. Cebulan Masters is the fastest and leading real estate developer in the Vismin area. So kilalang kilala to sa mga taga Cebu or Visayas, Mindanao, Davao. Kilala. They have around 23% market share in that area. They're leading even sa mga Ayala or sa mga SM. They have 16 projects, 16 key areas sa mga projects nila, and they plan to venture into Luzon by as early as this year. So we are having them as guests. Mag-sit down tayo with their CFO, si Grant Cheng, and their COO, si Jose Franco Soberano on March 7, and where we can they will discuss the company and their growth trajectory. So hopefully you can register sa Zoom registration namin on your screen, and we'll see you next week. So thank you very much. In case may questions kayo, we're gonna have another webinar. Navigation pa rin. Kung may mga hindi kayo naisip na questions today, you can still join that. Ang laman naman ng video will be the same. But yung Q&A, kung may maalala kayo, you can still join us in the next webinar. Or if hindi na kayo, you really want to know the answer, message us via Facebook or our email, bpitrade@bpi.com.ph. So thank you very much and have a good evening.